Hi everyone, I'm Shadvi Gadge from Weekleak, and today is a very important day as we launch our first national initiative, Vismaya. Recently, I was watching the movie Sher Shah, and I was really fascinated with the raw courage and the unbreakable spirit of Captain Vikram Batra and his fellow peers from the Kargil War. But this made me wonder, how many of the other 526 martyrs do we really know of by name? Their sacrifices were just as complete, but yet their stories remain untold. It's especially saddening to know that so little is known about the families who have acted with so much bravery and resilience, and that their sacrifices are way too often overlooked. After all, behind every soldier who gave up their life for this country, there is a child who gave up a lifetime with their parent and a family who's left behind to carry the weight of the sacrifice. And at the heart of this family is a child who will grow up with courage in their blood but absence in their memories. While there is no way to undo the pain of what these children have lost, there is hope in working towards a brighter future for them. That hope drives the launch for our first nationwide initiative, Vismaya. Through Vismaya, Weekleak is dedicated to honoring the memory of the Indian martyrs by supporting their children with the guidance, opportunity, and a sense of possibility. This program promises that every child receives recognition, encouragement, and the chance to pursue their dreams, ensuring that their aspirations matter just as much as the sacrifice made by their parent. When the flags are folded and the final salute is made, the world moves on. But for these children, life has just begun, in silence. With an empty seat at the dinner table, with questions that may never have answers, and with dreams that suddenly far out of reach. And while the country salutes the parent who served, who stands for the child left behind. That's where Vismaya comes in. Our initiative is based on one belief, that no child should lose his or her future just because they lost a parent in service for the nation. Through our initiative Vismaya, we aim to work for the kids of the martyr families in the following three ways. First, give them a voice. We'll produce a powerful podcast series and intimate conversations with the children of martyrs and their families, not to dwell in sorrow, but to showcase their strength, their stories of love, loss, and hope. When we hear them, when we truly listen, we create space for healing, for dignity, and for inspiration. Second, give them a path. Words alone are not enough. These children face real, tangible barriers to opportunity, financial instability, interrupted education, and a lack of access to professional guidance or skill training. That's why we are going to reach out to the wider civilian society to find right educational courses, scholarships, and mentors who can help them in this journey of theirs. Whether it's digital skills, tailoring, creative media, or even small business management, we want them to not just dream, but build their future. This directly connects to the UN Sustainable Development Goal 4, which is quality education for all. Because honoring a martyr doesn't just end with a medal, it continues when we invest in the lives they left behind. Third, give them a family. And here's where we all come in. Irrespective of our backgrounds, you can make a difference to their lives and step in as a mentor, a cheerleader, a guardian, or even as a sponsor. We are conducting a survey and we invite all of you to participate, answering one simple question. How can you contribute? Maybe you're a baker, a web designer, stock market investor, lawyer, or even a technocrat. Your skills, your experience could be the foundation for a child's new beginning. This isn't charity, it's empowerment. Imagine a child where their father or mother once stood, not in uniform but in purpose, not just with a burden but with a skill, a future, a reason to believe. And that's how we truly honor sacrifice. So join Vismaya, because every child not just only deserves to survive but to thrive. And behind every fallen hero is a rising one, if we truly dare to see them.